Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to find profitable niches on Etsy. We're gonna focus maybe more on digital products today, but basically the same methods are suitable for physical products too. So first of all, what you need to do is of course find your product type or decide what you want to do. So if you are doing digital products, you have to decide what type of niche, what type of products you're gonna make. I would suggest you to focus on one niche only, or maybe that the niches would be similar to each other. So first of all, the digital products. So today we're gonna go through research tools, which you will need actually one of them. You won't need all of them, but I'm gonna show you all of them, how they look like and what's the pricing of theirs. So of course you need to write it down on Etsy too. So today I'm gonna show you how to find a good niche for birthday invitations. So when you write down birthday invitation, as you can see, there are so many results and so many different products. So you want to make a birthday invitation and niche down. So for example, for boys, for women, for kids, dinosaur, football. Let's click on football. As you can see, there are 6,000 results. So it's quite okay, but it would be better if there would be less results. And also you need to know the search volume, so how many people are searching this per month. So because if there will be no searches or very little, then you will not get sales. So first of all, let's talk about our research tool. So there is eRank, Everbee, and Marmalade. So eRank is actually quite good, but I would suggest to take not a free version, because for the free version you will get only 5 searches per day. So for example, let's see, the subscription of eRank. So the basic plan is $6 per month, and you will get 100 lookups per day for keywords. There's also a competition tracker. Well, it's quite nice to have at least basic one. The pro one, you will get 200 lookups per day. So it's way better, but you can start with the basic plan. And for expert, of course, you will get even 500 lookups per day. So that's the pricing of eRank. And now let's search birthday invitation. Today I'm gonna focus on eRank. Also, let's go to Everbee. So Everbee pricing, the Everbee is actually also really nice because they have an extension and you can use it with Etsy. And their plan is, if you will choose annual plan, the free one only gets you 10 searches per month, so it's not enough, of course. So the pro will only get 30, so it's also not enough, because it's better to pay $20 and get unlimited product searches. So that's that. Also for keyword searches, also unlimited. So also if you get a monthly one, so it would be $30. And for Marmalade, which is really good tool, so for Marmalade would be, let's see how much it costs. So for entrepreneur would be $19 per month. It would be $15 if you would pay annual price, and that's basically it. It will cost you $19 if you will choose Marmalade. So for these free tools are really great ones. I would suggest maybe Marmalade. eRank is also really good one. So on eRank, you want to find, you will see the keyword statistics. So average searches and Etsy competition are the main ones we will focus on. So what you want to find when you are searching for profitable niches, you want to find a high search. So like this, it's a really good search per month, and low Etsy competition. So let's see the keyword suggestions they give us. As you can see, all these birthday invitation keyword suggestions are really high competition, and you will never rank on the first page, and you will probably never get sales. So like birthday party invitation, girl birthday invitation, kids first birthday. Let's see other ones. So here are some better ones, but it's also high. As you can see, 16,000 results. It's really too much. Of course, these ones are quite okay if you get almost 3,000 Google searches per month, and it's 15,000 search results. Then you can try and make the 40 birthday invitation, for example. Let's go to other ones. So these ones are actually great because they have, for example, quite high search, low competition, and easy to make. So of course, space, sports, actually these ones are way better. So but for example, Barbie birthday invitation you cannot use because Barbie is copyrighted. So Frozen also you cannot use because it's copyrighted. You will get banned from, at some point. Mario, Carnival, for example, decent amount of searches, low competition, and you can make this and maybe get sales. So that's how you research on eRank. The same goes for Marmalade and for Everbee. Basically, that's how you find what is profitable, what has high search and low competition. Now, for the trends, I would also suggest you to research Pinterest and Google Trends. So you go to Pinterest and you go here on analytics and click on trends. You will get to this page and you can search for let's search for birthday invitations the last year. So as you can see, the highest search is on January, but it goes almost the same through the whole year. Birthday invitation template, you can see who is searching for it, but I would also suggest you to just go to Pinterest trends here and see what is trending right now. So maybe you will make some fall decor, and as you can see, it is really high on searches now. You can also type in keywords here, interests, change it, and so on. So that's what I would suggest you to do, to search for a Pinterest trends, and now also Google Trends. They also have a really good, let's see, birthday invitation. So let's see how much of the search results we have. So for now, it's really high searches, 100 per day even. So of course the Christmas period is on the corner and everyone is searching for everything. So, but it's really good to see. Of course, just look at your niche, what you want to search for. And yeah, that's that. And now guys, for the results. You need to make a really great product, great quality product, because if you will make like a really bad one, you will get bad reviews and your shop will go to waste. Also be patient, because Etsy takes time. It can take even up to 6 months to get any great results. Of course, you can get sales quite quickly, but to build up a store and have lots of sales, it can take quite some time. And also, I would suggest you to use marketing, free marketing. So use Pinterest for a free traffic to your Etsy store. Make posts and pins to Pinterest daily, and you will see some results. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you find profitable niches on Etsy. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye.